All right, Keith, that storm's behind us now and looks like it's going to be a chilly weekend.
Yeah, it's going to be cold this weekend. And if you ever wondered how many viewers we have in Bangor, a lot, because I found them all on Twitter.
Yeah.
Check this map out, guys. Bangor right there, literally, just look at that snow hole right around Bangor up to about Orono or so. So what had happened was we had the first round down here, and Bangor was a little bit too far north. Dry air eroded it. They got about an inch out of that. Second round came through last night. They were a little too far south for that, and they got another inch or two. So they ended up 2-3 inches right back through parts of Kingfield, for example, and Eustis too. And then the rest of it wasn't bad. This 6+ contour is in the yellow. So we had a lot of that in the 2 days, but missed a couple of key spots. That's how it goes. 5 in Rangeley right now, 8 in Caribou. Look at that really cold air starting to sink down to the coastline, which it will do tonight. It's going to be cold for sure. Most of us will be below 0. The coast hovering 0, 0, 0. Obviously wouldn't shock me if we got to 1 below or something along the immediate coastline. About 5 below inland, and then 10 to 15 below into the mountains. That's air temp. Doesn't take into account the wind chill, which will be dangerously cold late tonight, especially in the mountains. Won't be as bad as a couple of weeks ago where we had that 50 below wind chill, but still, just be careful. So tomorrow morning is cold. We have trouble warming up. Start with sun, clouds come in from the southwest, couple of snow flurries possible in the afternoon over southern Maine. But we're only, 15, 16 degrees at best. Mountains single digits, so if you're going to ski, bring your best gear. And then it's cold again tomorrow night, right around 0 along the coast. Couple below inland, up to 10 below into the mountains. And then we cloud up very quickly on Sunday, and here comes a little light snow Sunday afternoon. I don't think this is a big deal at all, but it's an inch, maybe 2 in a couple of isolated spots. Best chance of that would be the mid-coast and southern coastal Maine, as far as seeing up to 2 inches of snow through Sunday night. And then we move that out. Monday is quiet, and then we're watching a couple storms for next week. Now, I was pretty excited about Tuesday's storm. Has a lot of potential, because we've got a low here and then an inland low, and that's a good setup because it stretches the moisture fields. Recently, though, the models have pulled this coastal low a little south, so we lose the support of that. It decouples, and we really just get the upper level low. That would still mean that we'd have some pretty good snow on Tuesday. It would be across a good part of the state, but it wouldn't be the blockbuster that it could have been if that second low here could stay in place. So let's give it another day or so and see. If not, it's probably 3 to 6, 4 to 8 maybe kind of deal. It could have been a lot bigger with that secondary low. That's Tuesday, and then whoop, don't blink. Wednesday night, Thursday, next one comes in. That could mix at the end, but probably another hit of snow. We talked a couple of weeks ago, guys, about how the pattern was going to change late February and early March, and it sure did. Couple of storms there, and again, we'll see if Tuesday is legit or just kind of another ho-hum situation. A little warmer on Friday, back to around 40 degrees, but I texted a couple of friends today and I said, don't give up any ground on the walkways and driveways because you're not going to see it for another week or two at this rate.
All right.
We had a good run, right?
We did. It was very quiet up until a week or two ago.
Yeah. Thanks, Keith.